Welcome to the Saudi Capital Market Rules and Regulations, Broker's CME-3B course. Here on the dashboard, you can track your progress, including overall completion, chapters read, and mock exams done. Navigate to chapter summaries for distilled expert summaries aligned with the official syllabus. These sections include a chapter overview, examinable areas, and common pitfalls. Scrolling down within the summaries reveals exam tricks to help you focus on key concepts. There are also additional exam notes for deeper understanding. Further in the summaries, you'll find a section detailing all numerical values, as well as potential exam traps to watch out for. You can easily access other chapters below. The quick cheat sheet provides searchable definitions, thresholds, and timelines. You can filter the terms by categories like regulatory framework, market conduct, and key numbers. In the flashcards section, you can use active recall to memorize key rules and facts. The card displays a question, and you can track your progress. Clicking to reveal the answer displays the key regulatory requirement. Use the I Got IT button to mark it as mastered, helping you focus on areas still under review. The Mock Exam Hub offers 200 unique questions across 4 full-length practice exams. These are divided into Foundations, Applied, Advanced, and Mixed categories, and you have unlimited attempts. Selecting a mock exam, such as Mock Exam 1, Foundations, shows the exam details, 60 minutes, 50 questions, and a 70% passing mark. Once submitted, you can review explanations for all questions. During the exam, questions are presented one by one, along with the time remaining and question progress. Select your answer and click Next to proceed. After completing a mock exam, you receive detailed results. The detailed correction review shows the correct answer and an explanation for each question, aiding your understanding. Finally, the AI Study Tutor is available in beta to assist with any questions you have about the course material, exam tips, or specific topics, providing expert guidance.